Welcome back to the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions while having a ton of fun. Today, we're diving into the steam world of floor cleaning with two heavyweights, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop and the GorFanty 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Who knew mops could be so versatile? Let's see who reigns supreme in this battle of the steamers. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Shark Genius is priced at $129, while the GorFanty is a steal at just $119. Reviewers appreciate that the GorFanty offers great value for money and is a wallet-friendly option for those looking to keep their floors sparkling without breaking the bank. In the battle of the bucks, GorFanty takes the crown. Now, let's dive into features. The Shark Genius boasts a 220 milliliters water tank, 3-setting intelligent steam control, and double-sided dirt grip washable pads, making it easy to use and effective for deep cleaning. Reviewers rave about its efficiency and extra steam option for tough stains. Meanwhile, the GorFanty comes with a detachable handheld steam cleaner and 10 accessories, perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks. Reviewers love its versatility and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver and use on different surfaces. It's like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. When it comes to performance, the Shark Genius has Steam Blaster technology that promises to eliminate dirt without the use of bleach or fabric softeners. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness in cleaning various types of floors, stating it works well on vinyl and textured wood. On the flip side, the GorFanty heats up in just 20 seconds and operates at a sizzling 230 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for tackling tough messes quickly. Reviewers are impressed with its ability to clean tough stains and the amount of steam it produces, effectively sanitizing surfaces without harsh chemicals. Lastly, let's talk ease of use. The Shark Genius has touch-free technology, which is great because who wants to touch a dirty mop? Reviewers appreciate the user-friendly design and ease of filling the water tank. GorFanty features flexible rotation angles and an ultra-long cord, making it easy to reach those hard-to-clean spots. Reviewers find it lightweight and easy to maneuver, although some mention it can be a bit tricky to use the handheld attachment for high areas. Overall, both products have received positive feedback for their ease of use, but GorFanty is praised for its maneuverability and lightweight design. Overall, both steam mops have received positive reviews from users, with the Shark Genius being celebrated for its efficient cleaning and smart features, while the GorFanty is praised for its versatility and powerful performance. Customers appreciate the value each product brings to their cleaning routine, catering to different preferences and needs. So there you have it, folks. The Shark Genius is the sleek, smart option that's perfect for anyone who values convenience, while the GorFanty is the versatile powerhouse ready for anything life throws at you. In the battle of steam mops, it really comes down to your cleaning needs. If you want a straightforward cleaner, go for the Shark Genius. But if you want versatility and fun, GorFanty is your best bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.